everyone and welcome to Maths Express. Today we are studying chapter fractions and in this chapter we would be learning how to arrange the fractions in ascending order. I hope you all know what do we mean by ascending order. Ascending order means starting from smaller to bigger numbers. So we have got three fractions, 1 upon 20, 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 15. We need to arrange these fractions in ascending order, starting from smaller fraction to the larger fraction. For this, the first step is we have to convert all these three fractions into like fractions. And if you want to know how to convert unlike fractions to like fractions, you can watch my previous video. But in this also, let us start. Now, like fractions means fractions having the same denominator. So, to convert all these three fractions having the same denominator, we need to find the LCM of the denominators. So, we have here three denominators. We have 20, we have got 5 and we have got 15. For this, we will find the LCM of all these three numbers starting with 2, 2 10 the 5 we copy as it is and then 15. Then again 2, 2 5 the 10, 5 and then 15. And then we will start with 3, 5 will copy as it is, 3 5 the 15 and then 5, 5 1 the 5. So we have got that LCM of all these three numbers is equal to LCM of 20, 5 and 15 is equal to, let us multiply these, 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12 and 12 5 the is 60. So LCM is equal to 60. Now we will convert these fractions into like fractions first. So first fraction we have 1 upon 20, second fraction is 3 upon 5 and the third fraction is 2 upon 15, right? Now, first we will convert this fraction into like fraction. So, in this, we have got 1 upon 20, right? With which number shall we multiply 20 to get 60, right? Because हम चाहते हैं तीनों denominators में हमारा 60 आए. अब 60 लाने के लिए we will multiply 20 by 3. Since we are multiplying denominator by 3, we will multiply numerator also by 3. Now, let us multiply. 1 into 3 is 3. And 20 into 3 is 60. Coming over to our next fraction here, I got 3 upon 5, right? So with which number shall we multiply the denominator 5 to get 60? I'll tell you one easy method how to find it. Now we need 60 in the denominator और हमारे पास अभी क्या है 5. So I'm putting a tick over 5 and बाकी सारे numbers को हम multiply कर देंगे. 2 to the 4, 4 3 the is 12. So we will multiply 5 by 12. 5 12 is 60. So we will multiply numerator also by 12. 12 3 the 36 and 5 12 the is 60. Next we have 2 upon 15. Now 2 upon 15. With which number shall we multiply 15 to get 60? So here if you see, we have got 5 3 that is 15. So मैं दोनों पे टिक लगा रही हूँ. I'm putting a tick on both, on 3 and 5 both, because 3 5 that is 15. Rest the remaining numbers will multiply. 2 to the 4. So we will multiply 15 by 4. So we will multiply numerator also by 4, and we get 2 4 that is 8 and 15 4 that is 60. Now we have got three fractions here, and all these three fractions have the same denominator. 60, 60 and 60 here. That means we have converted these three fractions into like fractions. Now since denominator is same, we just have to compare the numerators, right? Now here numerators we have 3, 36 and 8, right? Now in ascending order we have to start from smaller to bigger numbers. So in this, let us see which fraction has got the lowest numerator. We have got here 3, 36 and 8. Out of this, 3 is smallest. So first we will write 3 upon 60. Next we have 8 upon 60. and then we have got 36 upon 60. So this one is smaller, then we have 8 upon 60, and 36 upon 60 is the largest one. But we have to arrange these original fractions in ascending order. So if you see 3 upon 60, here 3 upon 60, it corresponds to 1 upon 20. So we will write here original fraction 1 upon 20. Then we have got 8 upon 60, and 8 upon 60 corresponds here to 2 upon 15. So we'll write next 2 upon 15. And the last one is 36 upon 60, which corresponds to 3 upon 5. So here we'll write 3 upon 5. So our smallest fraction is 1 upon 20 and the largest one is 3 upon 5. So we have arranged all these in ascending order. Now we will learn how to arrange the fractions in descending order. Now the procedure for arranging the fraction in ascending and descending order almost remains the same. That is, first we have to convert the both fractions into like fractions. So we have got here these three fractions. We will convert these three fractions into like fractions. So first we have to find the LCM of the denominators. So let us find their LCM. I have got here the numbers 8, 7 and 16. Always remember, whenever we are finding the LCM, you have to start with prime numbers. You cannot take any other numbers because in that case LCM would be wrong. So starting with 2, 2 4 the 8, then 7, 2 8 the 16. Again 2, 2 2 the 4, 7 and 2 4 the 8. Again 2, 2 1 the 2, 7 will copy to 2 the 4. Again 2 will have 1, 7 will copy and 2 1 the 2. And the last one will start with 7, 1, 1, 1. So we have got the LCM here. Let us multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 and 16 into 7 is 112. So we have here 112. Now we have got the LCM 112 and we have got here our three fractions 3 upon 8, 2 upon 7 and 15 upon 16. Starting with the first fraction. Now we have got here 8 in the denominator and we want 112 in the denominator. जो LCM आया है वही हमें denominator में चाहिए. So we will multiply 8 by which number to get 112. Now look here at the LCM. 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. I have taken these numbers. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Remaining numbers will multiply. 2 into 7 is 14. So we will multiply denominator by 14. We multiply numerator also by 14. Now 14 into 3 is 42 and 14 into 8 is 112. Next fraction we have got is 2 upon 7. Now with which number shall we multiply 7 to get 112? So let us see here. We'll put a tick over 7 and we'll multiply the remaining numbers. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So we'll multiply denominator by 16, we'll multiply numerator also by 16. Now 16 to the 32 and 16 into 7 is 112. The next one we have is 15 upon 16. Now with which number shall we multiply 16 to get 112? Now I have removed this tick. Now here we have 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 and 8 to the 16. So remaining number is 7. So we multiply 16 by 7. So we are multiplying numerator also by 7. 15 7 is 105 upon 112. Now if you see all these three fractions have got 112 in the denominator. That means they have got same denominator. We have converted them into like fractions. Now we will just compare the numerators. Since we have to arrange these fractions in descending order, that means we have to start from bigger number to smaller number. So in this case, looking at all these three numerators, which one is the largest numerator? If you see, largest numerator here is 105. So first of all, we will write 105 upon 112. This one is the largest one. Next, second largest, comparing 32 and 42, we'll have 42. So we have 42 upon 112. And the last one we have 32 upon 112. Right? Now, these we have, but 105 upon 112 corresponds to which fraction? ये तो हमारा like fraction है जो बाद में. Which one is the original fraction? This corresponds to 15 upon 16. So we can write 15 upon 16 is the largest one. Then we have 42. 42 corresponds to 3 upon 8. Then we have 3 upon 8. And the last one we have here 2 upon 7. So here we have 2 upon 7. That means now we have arranged all these three fractions into descending order. Hope you all have enjoyed my video. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe.